Yeah, here you can see some of the auto modes here, so you can you know, just like highlight something. Oh, here, I'll go. Down. Right, so if I highlight over us, then I can kind of get an idea of where we are. And then I can do something like POI. So then this will just go in a circle around us.
Oh, really?
So it'll keep the camera centered exactly on where I click.
Yeah, maybe we should sell this to DJI. We got money right here.
Yeah, right, exactly.
We're demonstrating their feature. Would it know your truck is there, or?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
On some of the sensors?
It has a good sense of its surroundings.
Oh, this is insane, man.
Yeah, it's cool to watch.
Yeah, we should send this to DJI, and this is a demo, dude.
Exactly.
We're demoing in California here. And this is Kevin right here.
Yep. Kevin and Isaac.
So that's pretty much your circle me, huh?
Yeah, that's just circling around, and then here, let's see if I can do this other one too.
I love the sound of the motors.
Yeah. Yeah, they're pretty irritating.
Dang.
Now it's just tracking me, so if I walk around,
oh, okay. So he's on a tracking mode right now. He's right there. Oh, that's insane. That thing is so steady.
yeah, it's got some good technique.
But it's obviously stabilizing with the GPS too, huh?
Yes.